Alright, we are to the bench. I'm gonna just tear it apart now. Look at that, used to be silver. Now, oof. Tell you what. Easy easy. You. That's nice. Right, so try to get this thing off. It was stuck, so we're gonna old pound her out real good. There we go, that's cool. Good old trusty pickle. Hell yeah. Dirty bastard. Alright. Dookie. Get a little shield here. Probably don't want to break this. Doubt it'd be easy to get another one. There's that. I think we will do this first. I'm not even sure how. I'll have to go buy something. I definitely don't have that. It's a big old bitch. I'll be back. Alright, so this is just hilarious and great. Found the perfect tool to get this sucker out. I'll show you what I'm into. And it just so happens to be a Toyota piece. You're gonna love it. Alright, so this is a chain tensioner for a 2TG head. It's right in there. Who'd have known? Come on, baby. Oof, she's tight, man. She's tight. Oh, I feel bad about this right now. Does not feel good. Okay, we're getting there. I think there's spring pressure on it. Maybe that's why. Is it gonna go flying out? I don't know. Maybe? I'm scared now. Should I be scared? I've never done this. Okay, we're good. Oof. That threads into it. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Hopefully I didn't ruin this, but that's why it was so freaking tight, is because this is like a sealer. Or just like a lock ring. Damn, Daniel, that sucks. Oh, I'm a big dum-dum. I think it's okay. Dang, dude, that sucks ass. I feel stupid. Derp alert. And that's the same for this as a lock ring. I am upset with myself. Well, let's loosen this lock ring, don't we? Huh. Feel stupider every day. These are hard. These are such a pain in the ass. These are so easy to shred. I'm not a fan of this at all. Dude, stop it. I got to think about this. Alright, so we just got lucky and we were able to get it off. Had to think about it just a wee bit. Let's see, this might be a lot easier to get out. Should be. I'm so mad I might have ruined that other ring. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Okay. Let's get up that ring, little ornery. So we can see what's going on. Easy peasy, baby. Oops. Dope titties. There's a little seal. Get a part number off that, hopefully. And a bear one. Ooh. Alright, cool, man. Is there gizzings there? P. Cool. So there's the old bearing. Get new bearings just because. Pull this out now. And there's that. Yay. There's just that bearing. I'll pop this out. Tensioner. So yeah, just tensions it, slides on that. Yep. Bouncy. There's another bushing down here. There's that. This is what we're worried about. I'm not sure if we can get these. Oh. They're shmooey up in here. The grease, the old grease is still good. That's what's up. That's a good thing. Cool. Well, that's that. Ooh. We're gonna clean this up. Probably paint it. Install the new rack after. Gotta get a new bearing, so get a part number off that. Could probably find one pretty easily. Is there one down here? Yeah, there's something down. There's a little guide bearing down here. Might take a little finagling to get that out of there. A little finger banging. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, so we got a 15B SW06B. So we can find that, or just get the dimensions and do that. Unleash the beast. Yeah. Alright, we got one more trick up our sleeve before we just give in and go get the tool. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, that was easy enough. Yay! Derp alert. Sick. It's probably how you should do it, I guess. Yay! Right, success. So, this is the one that was a pain to get out. This one you can get from Toyota. Pretty, $40, pretty expensive. It's a weird size though, not like a standard size you can really find. You probably can, but I didn't feel like trying that hard. This one is a pretty standard size. You can get it just about anywhere. So let's get the bearing in from Toyota. The only OEM things we could get for it were this bottom bearing. Where it at? Where it at? This spring. That's the spring tension on the rack, basically. Pushes the bushing into the rack. We're able to get that. We couldn't get a new bushing, so we'll reuse that. It's probably fine anyways. And we were able to get this end bushing, which is the main bushing. I'm glad I was able to get that. So that's another one we got to get out. But hell yeah. All right, we have quite the contraption of extensions and sockets going through here. So we got this bottom bushing out. A few light taps. Might just heat it up too. I think we're gonna heat it up. Yeah. Because of like, yeah. Let's kick it out. Like that. Whatever. No, not happy. Insert too. Sure. Oh, chill. What else do you want from me? Alright, BRB. Shop's on fire! Whoops. Oh god. We got the inside piece out. a little smoky in here. Alrighty, after fighting with this bushing, finally broke down and into the Vato zone, as they say. Let's see if we can get this piece of crap out of there. Let's see. Slappy, slappy. I'm gonna put it down like this. Bend it. It's coming, but not fast. It's slow. Dang, battery. She's coming. Woo! Oh yeah. They're slipping around. Whoops, but a nice chill, kid. Damn, son, she is a tight ball. Put a nice gash in it. Damn, son. Oh. Smoke a dope a little bit there. Hey, woo! That was tough. All right, man. Good shit. All right. I'm not sure there's anything much worse than this old, crusty grease and oil and everything else that just gets caked on after, you know, so many years. And you try to spray it with carpet cleaner, it just doesn't come off. You just about anything, it just doesn't come off. Just gotta scrape it off, and it's super nasty. It gets stuck everywhere, and on your shoes, and then people screw up your carpet. It's great. It's great stuff. All right, so that's the teardown. We're awaiting parts still. Next time you will see it complete and installed.